Welcome to ABC training. Now we are going to see the session and topic number 4 in Creo Parametric. So in this we are going to see advanced blends, that is rotational blends. We have already seen the sweep and blend commands. See, advanced blends means actually, as we have seen in like blend, in which like two different geometries are connected and the offset or the distance in between them we have given it by length and distances. Now in this rotational blend actually we take the offset by degrees. Obviously it's a rotational blend, so for the offset we don't need the length, we need the degrees. So whatever degree that you put into the command, like 45 degrees or 50 degrees, 45 degrees is default actually, it gets blended. Now analyzing rotational blend attributes. See, actually in blending attributes, axis of revolution is the most important. Section 1 or section 2. See, suppose in section 1 we have drawn a rectangle, in section 2 we have drawn a circle. Just like blend, we need to divide the circle in 4 parts for matching the vertex actually. Then we need to select the axis of revolution, then we need to put the degree, and then the rotational blends happens. Okay, advanced selection. See, now we are going to see advanced selection, in that advanced chain selection and advanced surface selection. That means if you need to go, means like you need to give fillet or chamfer or round commands like this, and there are edges like there are 30 or 40 or 55. If you're designing a complicated part, engine assembly, how can you select all of the edges? Like you can't select one by one, it is very time consuming. So for that, this is the technique, like advanced selection of surfaces or advanced selection of chain. See, if there is extruded part, rectangular, and I need to make the all the four edges, I need to make it round. I'm giving you just example by a very simple geometry. So at that time, we can go to a single edge, we can click, we can actually right click on the edge, and there is an option like pick from list. Just click on that. When the pop-up appears, from that pick from list, we can select the intent edges or the intent surfaces that we want, and the complete edges are selected at once only, and surfaces also. Either we can put whatever you can see here. See, in advanced chain selections also, see, this is the pick from list option. Here you can select like which kind of surfaces you have and which kind of surfaces you are going to choose, like that. So it is actually very time saving. We will see this obviously in Creo. First of all, let's go with theory, then we will go for practical. Okay, they are creating holes and shell commands are also there. In holes, actually, there are two options that we are going to use in this. Coaxial holes, that means along the axis, and linear holes. Linear holes actually means wherever you need them, you can put them just by giving two references to the plugs. Like from this plane or this plane, what is the distance, we can position it very properly. And shell feature. Shell feature means actually if there is a solid extruded part, properly solid, and we need to make it hollow from inside, then this shell command is used. Shell command actually completely removes the surface from one side or whatever the plane, whatever the surface that you have selected. Shell command does that. Now let's see coaxial holes. Just like linear holes, we can select the surface on which we need to put the hole. Then, if from the coming list, is from that options, we can select the coaxial holes. Then it asks us for which axis. Then we just select the axis and click on OK. We can change the radius of the circle. Also, we can change the depth of the circle before clicking OK. So, like this, these are the commands in this session. We will see one by one all of it on Creo. Okay. Now we are going to see the rotational blend in Creo. We are going to see all of this by one. Click on new, on part. Now go to rotational blend. Then define first section. Okay. Give it the plane, front plane. Set sketch. Do it sketch view. Similarly, like blend, I'm going to explain this by the example of a rectangle and a circle. Okay. We have drawn rectangle which is having 4 number of vertices. Now sections, we need to add another section. For that, obviously, as it is a rotational blend, we can take the offset only by degrees. Just like in normal blend, we used to take the offset by distance. In this, we are going to select the axis of revolution. So I'm going to select Y, then click on insert. Now the degree is 45. You can change the degree for offset. Click on sketch section view. Don't click on the section view. Now draw one circle. Divide it into same number of vertices. Click on OK. See, the 45 degree is very small, and because of the difference of the geometry, this is looking like this. We can see the final product also. See, in this axis, in the 45 degrees, it has drawn this image. Okay, now click on this. I can reduce the angle also. Now see, instead of 45 degrees, it's rotating in 20 degrees. You can see the angle here. Press on OK. So this is how we do the rotational blend in Creo. Now we are going to see the chain selection and surface selection in Creo Parametric. Click on New, click on Part. You can choose Extrude first. Select any plane you need to do. Now section view. Draw one rectangle for extruding. Say OK. From this also you can change the length of the extrusion. See, I'm putting this one. Select OK. Now see, listen carefully. Now this is a very simple geometry, okay? But what if you will be designing a very complicated part like IC engine or any other engine, any other complex geometries? So what I need to do, I need to give a round. I have to turn round, and I need to give round to this edges. See, I select OK. See, so this sharp edges, this is round edge. But I will change that. Yeah, see now. What if there are like number of edges? We need to select all of the edges. Like what if there are 48 edges or 30 edges? Obviously we are not going to select one by one. It is very time consuming. So what we do, go to a single edge, don't press anything, just go to it, then press right click on your mouse. What it's saying, pick from list. I have clicked on pick from list. Now from here you can select the different surfaces and different edges. See, all the 4 edges are selected. So this is the actually basic shortcut for advanced chain selection and advanced surface selection. From this list you can select the surfaces also. Intended surfaces, see, all of the 4 surfaces are selected, and on this intended edge all of the edges are selected. I am saying OK to the edges. See, now click on OK. See, round, I have given the command. I have gone to single edge, click on right click. See, this is single one. Go to round, click on right click, pick from list, intended edges, say OK. All of the 4 edges are rounded now. Click on OK. See, so at the single time you can perform any kind of operation or function in number of selected edges. So this is actually how the advanced chain selection and advanced surface selection has been done. You just need to click on the edge and you just need to push the option select from list or pick from list. Then you can select number of items at the same time. So this is all about advanced chain selection and advanced surface selection. Okay guys, now we are going to see the hools and shell command in Creo Parametric. Click on new, click on part, solid part obviously. Now let's do one of the extrusion for placing the holes. Click on this plane, select the section view, click on circle. I'm going to extrude this circle. Whatever extrusion you need, you can change the length. Click on OK. Now click on hole. We are going to see two types of holes: coaxial hole and linear hole. Click on hole, placement. Obviously on this surface we need to put the hole, so click on this. It's a type of linear hole. Okay, here you can see the different types of hole shapes and profiles. You can choose as per your requirement. Now see, for placing this hole properly, first of all you need to change the diameter. If you want to, you can change the depth also. So click on this and give a reference to this. We need to position it, no? So then click on this, give it reference to this. So in this two way we have given the distance. From these distances you can change the distance, like here you can keep 100 or here you can keep like 90. See, this is the, like, if suppose this is the original position, we have given the diameter and the depth. Click on OK. See, now we have made a hole. This is the type of linear hole. Now we are going to see the coaxial hole. Now we are going to see the remaining command, that is coaxial hole and shell command. Now let's extrude one circle. Let's draw the sketch. Let's make it small. Let's keep it 50. Say OK. Now it's extruded. Let's keep it forward. OK. Now click OK. See, we are basically, we can click on shift and the middle button to pan this. Now let's click on hole, go to placement and select this surface. See, we have already seen the linear hole. Okay, now click on this and go to coaxial. So we just need to change this from linear to coaxial. Now what is asking? First of all, change the diameter, or make it 5. Now we need to give the axis. See, this axis is highlighting actually. I have selected it. Okay, now we want to flip it or like this, it doesn't matter. Now select this surface. Now press Ctrl key and select this surface and this one. See, and click on OK. Now see, it's actually placed coaxially along this axis. So this is how the coaxial hole is placed on an extruded surface. So we have seen the linear, we have seen both the linear hole and coaxial hole. Now we are going to see the shell command. So let's draw a new part. Go to new, go to OK. For shell we need to extrude and rectangle, means like box like structure, we need to extrude. Click on extrude, select OK, then sketch view, draw a square or rectangle, doesn't matter. Click on OK. See, now this box has been extruded. Click on OK. See, now click on the shell command. Shell command is actually used, as you know, we have seen this, it's used to make a solid completely extruded part hollow from inside. Okay, so whatever surface that I will be clicking, it will be gone. See, the box was completely extruded, so it was completely solid actually. Now this section is gone, the shell is gone actually, because I have used this shell command. Now this wall thickness, actually you can manipulate the wall thickness also. If you want to increase it, you can increase it. See, 10 mm. Or if you want to decrease it, let's decrease it to 2 mm. Click on OK. See, it's actually made of 4 thin walls. So this is how we use the shell command and all of the commands that we have seen in this session. Okay, let's meet in next session. Thank you guys.